Okay, here we go. Yeah, I like this. I want to kill a penguin.
Murderer. Who kills penguins?
Yeah, I like this. There's the penguins!
Where?
I bet you they'll kill penguins. That'd be so fun.
You can't kill a penguin.
Fly over here.
Stupid.
You're basically Switzerland.
I'm neutral.
I swear, get it away. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Holy crap, I'm underwater. Yeah. Get over here, Slowpoke. Get over here. Right. Get over here. I'm listening to this song, it's totally jamming. Apparently they're calling him Spitfire. Quit flinging your arrows at me, stupid.
Maybe quit throwing your sword up in them.
There's fishies.
Do you kill them?
I need that.
Do you kill the fish?
I don't understand.
Do you kill the fish?
Die. What do you want me to do?
No killing fish.
What?
No killing fish.
Why?
Because it said so.
But the fish are evil.
But fish are cute.
I'll change this song.
And I have to give them CPR. And I really don't feel like sticking my mouth to the TV to attempt to give a dead fish CPR.
Holy crap, Crush is on here. Yeah, work it day. Hey, Jew.
Don't do that to my cat. Come here, kitty, 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 kitty. Come here. Come here, baby. Come
How
on.
does the arrow hit so fast? We're underwater.
Come on, baby. Come on. Come on.
Why do I keep running from the truth? All I ever think about is you. Got me hypnotized, don't mesmerize, and I just got to know. When you're all alone, all that we could be, where this thing could go. I'm not even trying to sing at all. Are you holding back? Like
The way you do.
Cause I'm trying to walk away. But I know this crush ain't
And
going
went away. Yeah, 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 yeah. Going away. You know what? I know the song more than you do, Bubba. Make that noise for again. All the viewers want to see this later. Come on, make it again. This is a beautiful shallow kitty kitty. Who's not very photogenic. Like, I hate pictures. Get that out of my face. Kelsey's still failing miserably at her game.
I'm gonna really slow. I'm getting ticked off.
Okay, say bye, Kelsey.
What?
Say bye.
What?
Say bye.
Bye. You recording this whole time?
Bye.